Well, I wasn't expecting it to take so long. I can't believe it's well, almost 3 hours I'm cooking, but it's well worth it. That's how rice and peas is. It's not a quick fix. You understand? So now that the rice has simmered, Tasha, hold this for me, please. Come, you're my right hand cameraman. Now that the rice has simmered, that's not where it ends. You understand me? What I'll have to do now is get a piece of foil and put over it. I'm going to put the foil over it and leave it for a bit. Leave it for a bit too. Yeah, that fire is low enough for it. Yeah. And then, this is the curry goat here now. Let's have a look. Still bubbling. Come here, don't run away. Remember, you're my cameraman. Come. You see? The curry goat is bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. If I'd put this in pressure cooker, maybe it would have finished already. But I like to go, I love to do things the long way around. You understand me? So that's my rice and peas on curry goat. Oops. So after, there you go. You see? Original Jamaica rice and peas and curry goat. Made from all the right ingredients. No short-term coconut cream or anything like that. Yeah? But while I've been preparing the rice and peas, I need you to understand that you have to keep checking on it at intervals. Don't just leave it. Don't leave it to just cook or simmer down by itself. So after about, I'm gonna give this about, say, 10 minutes or so to steam down, and then dinner will be ready. Dinner will be served. All right? Dinner will be served shortly, and the grandchildren hopefully. Oh, they're not coming this week, I suppose, but yes, I'm quite pleased. Quite pleased. Quite pleased. I keep using my hand to open this. Quite pleased with my, look at the curry. Look at that curry goat. Ooh la la. Look at that. All ready. Just remember that when you're cooking the curry goat, it have to be really soft, otherwise it's not gonna be palatable. Not gonna be palatable at all. Tough curry goat with rice and peas, that's the worst thing you could ever have. So thanks for your time, and if you view the 3 previous videos, you'll see the preparation, and you'll see stage 1, 2, and 3, and how to get the rice and peas to the outcome that I've just shown you. Right? So thanks for watching. Keep subscribing, and I'll catch you later when it's dinner time. I'll show you a presentation of how it looks, because presentation is everything. All right? Thank you very much. Throw out a bit.